MSC Seashore. Here we go. We just dropped our luggages here. MSC is leaving from Terminal F today. And this is the line for the check-in. Wow, a lot of people here. And I think all the terminals here, people going on cruises have to park on the G. So after this, we're gonna park the car on the Terminal G. We're here at the parking garage of Terminal G at the Port of Miami. And in case you're too early or you have an emergency before get to your terminal and you need to use the restroom, I found out they have these portable restrooms here inside the parking garage for men and ladies. And I had to use the restroom and I was roaming around looking for, and there is no actual restroom there, so they put this one here, which is nice. Since we're early, we have an hour and a half to wait before our check-in time, so I needed to use the restroom and I found out they had that one, so it's pretty good. We were supposed to check in at 12 p.m. but they moved us to 3 p.m. and when we came back here now at 3 p.m. there is nobody here other than us to check in, so I guess we're going straight to the ship. No line anymore. They were actually expecting 700 passengers on board of the Seashore today, but there were some last minute cancellations and we actually gonna have around 575 passengers only. We had to do two tests, one 48 hours prior and another one right here on the terminal, and you don't have to pay for it. Yes, negative, and we're going on board. See you in a bit. Nobody here to direct us and I have no idea which way is it. We're going the short way, which is this one, I guess. I can't walk anymore. I have no clue why they moved us check-in from noon to 3 p.m. because we got here at 3 p.m. and there was nobody.
And they were saying they were waiting for us.
And they were like, oh, kind of we're late because of that. Doesn't make any sense. So we're basically the last people to go on board because we came on the time that they assigned us. Anyway, we made it. MSC Seashore. Yeah. Another adventure about to start. I'm sorry, but what a pain ours was to get inside the ship after we got the test, we got the check-in, we got the key card. We had to walk about a mile inside the terminal, inside the ramp to get inside the ship. So, oh my God, we almost couldn't get inside. And wow, look at this beauty. And the famous Swarovski staircase. Gorgeous. We made it. Here, guest services. Rob has to do some changes on the reservation and attach the card for a charge. This is a different card. Here we pick up the floor. We have to go outside of the elevators. We're on deck 5 now, going to deck 10. Like I said, there's no buttons inside of the elevator. You have to select the deck you want to go outside and then go from there. We're here, we're in Shania. They have like these different names for each deck. So we're going to our room here on the deck 10. And the luggages were already here, which is fun. Let's check it. Yay! Take a quick look. And here we are.
Everybody! What a stressful day.
Wow, there was a long process to embark. But we're here. I'm gonna show the room in a minute.
Balcony. Look at the size of this
Yes,
balcony.
it is. The muster drill is about to start. You have to watch a procedure on the TV in your stateroom. So we're waiting for that. Now let me show you this. Remote controlling hands. Let's see how we close the curtains. Oh wait, we're not on Virgin anymore. This one, it's not an automatic curtain, but still nice. Yes, we got spoiled on Virgin. No, but this one is really nice. I'm just joking. And balcony here. Where's my red hammock? This is what happens when you do 2 cruises one right after the other one. You start looking for the things that there on the ship that you just got off. But here's the balcony. It's pretty nice. It's far away from the water actually. Second part here, the muster drill. We had to walk down, taking the stairs. No elevator allowed to use it during this procedure. So we have to go down from deck 10, where the room is, down to 5, to our station for the muster drill thing to check in, and that's it. You just go there and scan your card, and you're done and good to go. We kind of wasted the whole day already. Trying to solve situations here at the room that we didn't like. We're leaving now. This is the balcony, which is far away from the water. All we wanted, we went to guest services, and we wanted to switch the room to one of those right there, which is closer to the water. They made it so difficult to do this change. After standing at guest services for about an hour, he was like, and I was thinking he was looking for a solution, but he said, oh no, I'm just sending an email to my supervisor to see if they approve for us to switch your stateroom. And he said, oh, so I was standing here this whole time just for that, for you to send an email and not do anything about it yet. And here we are, like, leaving. I haven't filmed anything upstairs. I haven't filmed anything around the ship. We haven't unpacked because we weren't sure if we were moving to another stateroom or not. 3 hours, 4 hours, whatever, already passed, and we haven't done anything. The thing is, if you don't like the stateroom you are, and you go to guest services, they should just look for a different room, find a different room, switch for you to different room, and period. That's it. Pretty simple. We did an upgrade on the Disney Wonder, and we wanted to have a veranda on the Disney Wonder, and they did like, boom, you just got it. And it was like super easy, super quick. And they said here that we have to wait for about 2 hours for the approval of the different room. And then I said, what should I do with the luggage? Is it unpack, not unpack? What if we unpack and they say, yes, you're going to a different room? We have to pack everything again. And what if we don't unpack, wait the 2 hours, and then they come and say, sorry, couldn't get a different room for you guys. And we are leaving Miami. People waving, some of them. Time to show our room here on this deck. Is called Santa Marta. Let's take a look. Okay. I'm gonna show the bathroom first. We already put all of our stuff here. It is small. kind of tight for the legs as well, if you want to sit on a toilet. And the sink. There's a compartment here with the trash and extra toilet paper. All the shelvings. Let me show the box of the shower here. There is no conditioner, so if you like to use conditioner, bring your own or buy it here on the ship. They only have shampoo and shower gel. Leaving the restroom, we have our bed. Like we love some extra pillows. So there are 6 pillows on the bed, but it's usually 4. There's no outlet, power outlet or USB on this side of the bed. This is the closet. Don't mind the mess. And 3 drawers on this side, and the safe. I don't know why she put this stars here, but the safe is right here. And on this side we have hangers, more space for shirts and pants, and some shelving for the shoes, and another one up here. On this side of the bed, the only thing they have is an USB port and the switch to control the whole lighting. Happy New Year! There's a couch that becomes bed. And then here's the desk with the TV. And there's rub through the mirror. More drawers around here, 3. There's a smaller one here. And there's the one with the refrigerator. Which we put some of our stuff here because we needed a space, but they have stuff for you to buy it that is inside the refrigerator, so we just took it off to use the space. But all of this comes with the room, but whatever you consume you have to pay for it. And they have this extra thing here that becomes like a table, and this little one that's a seat. Let's take a look at our balcony. Here's Rob. This is the view from our balcony. And here's